Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing tutorial, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can build your weather application using React. So let's go through the demo of the application quick. So I am going to open this in a new tab. So I'll just open it in a new tab, and when I open for the first time it will ask my location. So I have implemented this extra feature that you can allow this your location, and based on your location it will show the weather forecast. So you can see that today weather details, like according to this is my location name, and this is the country like India, and this is the icon, the weather icon, and this is the degree Celsius, how much degree Celsius in your city or location, and overcast cloud today, and feels like 31 degrees humidity, how much wind speed, and the visibility and minimum max and direction of the air, and the sunrise time and the sunset time. Not only this, we have forecasted the 5 days forecast, the upcoming days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the upcoming 5 days with their data like 32 degrees Celsius, here 34 degrees Celsius, and all this data have been shown. And not only this, you can change the unit to Fahrenheit. So now the data will show in the Fahrenheit unit, so 89 Fahrenheit unit. So you can change the unit also. So this is the another extra feature. And let's search for any city, like I search for Mumbai. So when I search for Mumbai, it will show the data for the Mumbai, and you can see the all this data and the upcoming 5 days forecast. Let's search for the another city like London. So let's search. So you can see that 11 degrees Celsius, and the sun has rises, and you can see that the upcoming 5 days data. So this is the feature, the search functionality, geolocation, and the 5 days forecast, and the unit conversion. So all this data, and with the powerful library React, and with the type safety we are going to use TypeScript, and for the icons we are going to use Lucid React. And you can see that when I refresh, it will show the animation of this search bar and the cards. You can see that. So for this animation we are going to use framer motion, and I am going to show you how we can build with the help of this library and tools. So not only this, I will teach you point by point each and every word. So this is the intro of our project. So I'm going to explain you in the next tutorial how we can build all these things. So I'll show you the code, and I'll sharing whole code on my GitHub. So hope you guys like my project, and I'll meet in next video with the code of this project. So make sure to subscribe and share. So thank you.